Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use your own images in your project. Now if you have a PLR product or your own product, you probably have your own images. Now the problem is that you need to have a square image in order to be able to use it on the disk. So what we're going to do is we're going to modify these a little bit. So let's go to paint.net. You can download paint.net for free, and I have a link to that on the resources document. So let's open up paint.net now. Okay, and then let's make sure we have a square canvas size because we need a square image. So let's just go to image and canvas size, and let's set this to 800 by 800. Make sure maintain aspect ratio is unchecked. And there we go. We now have a square image. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import a layer, and we're going to use one of our files. So let's import from file, and then we can bring in something from here. So let's bring in our ebook cover, and we can put that down in the middle here somewhere like that, and we can use that as our image if we want. Now of course we can bring in other images as well if we want, but this is just a simple example of how you can manipulate the image. Now you can't actually just use this image by itself because it has been rendered into a DVD cover and it's not going to look right. Okay, so let's move this around a little bit, and this is going to take some practice to get it right as to where things need to be. Okay, so we'll just take that and we'll save it, and we'll just call it custom, and then we'll change this to JPEG. Click save. Click OK here and flatten. Okay, that's all ready. Now what we do is we go back and we start the process again. We'll go and we'll open up our design window. Okay, so we'll just continue here. I've already done this before. Now let's talk about the UPC barcode. We might want to use this if we're going to publish to Amazon or somewhere like that. So it might not be a bad idea to incorporate a UPC code. Okay, and then again, just fill out the stuff here that you need. Okay, and then click the next button. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're still going to use auto design, but this time we're going to select our own image. Now custom design is a more advanced option. It's more for people that can create their own graphics. We're not going to go into that. We're just going to use the auto designer. Okay, so we're going to select from our own images, and then a window comes up and we're going to select the one we called custom, which is this one. And there it is. Okay, so that's what our cover looks like. We'll click, we can open the case now, and here's what the DVD itself looks like. Here's our insert. Okay, there's the back and the spine. Okay, and then at this point you have your custom case created, so you click next. Again, you're going to go through the thing where you select your DVD again, grabs the files, you click next, save your production file, so you do the save as, and then you just save it to here. Okay, save, continue, and now it's going to render it for us. And we just go through the same process, render it, upload it, and it's all ready to go.